Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of hybrid cameras and explore the highly anticipated Sony A7V, which is set to shake things up in the market. Sony has a long history of delivering exceptional cameras that cater to both photographers and videographers. The A7 series has consistently been a favorite among professionals, and the upcoming A7V is no exception. It's poised to be a powerhouse, offering a perfect blend of advanced photography and videography capabilities. What to expect from the Sony A7V? While Sony hasn't officially unveiled the A7V yet, rumors and leaks have given us a glimpse into what we can expect. Here are some of the key features that are likely to make the A7V stand out from the crowd. Advanced image sensor for unparalleled image quality. The A7V is expected to feature a high-resolution full-frame sensor, possibly with even better low-light performance than its predecessor. This advanced image sensor will enable photographers to capture stunning images with exceptional detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or street photography, the A7V's image sensor will deliver unparalleled image quality. Enhanced autofocus system for lightning-fast subject tracking. Sony's autofocus systems are already renowned for their accuracy and speed, and the A7V is likely to take things to the next level with enhanced AI-powered subject tracking. This advanced autofocus system will enable photographers to track fast-moving subjects with ease, ensuring that you never miss a shot. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or action photography, the A7V's autofocus system will deliver lightning-fast subject tracking. Revolutionary video capabilities for cinematic footage. Video is a key feature for many photographers, and the A7V is expected to deliver impressive video performance with high-resolution footage, high frame rates, and advanced stabilization. This revolutionary video capability will enable videographers to capture cinematic footage with ease, making it ideal for film, television, and commercial productions. Improved connectivity for seamless wireless connectivity. The A7V is likely to come with upgraded connectivity options, such as faster data transfer speeds and Wi-Fi 6E for seamless wireless connectivity. This improved connectivity will enable photographers to transfer files quickly, share their work with ease, and stay connected with their devices on the go. How the A7V stacks up against the competition. The Sony A7V is expected to be a game-changer in the world of photography, offering a range of cutting-edge features that will make it stand out from the crowd. With its advanced image sensor, enhanced autofocus system, revolutionary video capabilities, and improved connectivity, the A7V is poised to become the go-to camera for professional photographers and videographers. What to expect from the Sony A7V? While we await the official release of the Sony A7V, we can expect a range of exciting features and capabilities that will take photography and videography to the next level. With its advanced technology and innovative design, the A7V is sure to be a hit among photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. As we await the official release of the Sony A7V, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news, updates, and reviews. Our team of experts will be providing in-depth coverage of the A7V, including hands-on reviews, tutorials, and tips and tricks for getting the most out of your camera. The A7V will face stiff competition from other top-tier hybrid cameras, such as the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z6. However, Sony has a history of innovation and pushing the boundaries, so the A7V is expected to be a strong contender. When can we expect the Sony A7V to launch? Rumors suggest that it could be as early as January 2025. As we await the official release, let's dive deeper into the exciting features and innovative technology that make the Sony A7V a game-changer in the world of hybrid cameras. A revolutionary hybrid camera for photographers and videographers. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the world of hybrid cameras. With its impressive features and innovative technology, it's sure to be a popular choice among photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, the A7V could be the perfect camera for you. Impressive features and innovative technology. The Sony A7V is expected to boast a range of impressive features, including a high-resolution full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus system, and revolutionary video capabilities. Its innovative technology, such as AI-powered subject tracking and advanced stabilization, will enable photographers and videographers to capture stunning images and footage with ease. Perfect for professionals and beginners alike. Whether you're a professional photographer or videographer, or just starting, the Sony A7V could be the perfect camera for you. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it easy to use, even for beginners. Meanwhile, its advanced features and innovative technology will appeal to professionals looking to take their work to the next level. Stay tuned for more updates on the Sony A7V, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for all the latest news and reviews in the world of technology. Thank you for watching.